Hi guys, welcome back to Lillie. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a big thumbs up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you click that subscribe button? I hope you did. But we are going to be making some cupcakes. Woo! I've always wanted to make cupcakes on my channel. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. I'm so excited. So I've got this sheet by here that'll tell me what to do. So it says, first, this is going to be a tutorial. First, you have to put 225 grams of butter. So do I scoop out of this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Put it on the scales first.
This is very fancy scales. It's my dad's. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
It's on grams. Okay, you see guys, I've mixed it up a little bit so it's soft. That's what's said on the recipe. You see it? So we're going to add in some caster sugar. Is this the caster sugar?
Yep.
Yeah, caster sugar. And
scales.
We have to get the scales again. Put on. Just remember to put it on first and then turn it on. So it measures it as 0. So again it's 225.
Perfect.
One.
Back off the scales. Start mixing it up. Don't worry about it, it'll turn off anyway.
Okay guys, I've mixed it. And the next is you have to add eggs, 4 big eggs, so it says on the recipe, add 4 large eggs and mix until smooth.
Go on in.
So mix it smooth. Okay guys, I just washed my hands, and if you got any eggs on you, you should wash your hands because add 225 grams of self-rising flour.
Go on in.
But let's start mixing. I think I've mixed it in mostly.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Okay guys, so we put this to one side and look how big these are. They're actually so big. And you can have your own of these, but we've got these colours of so we're gonna scoop it in. You can pour it in or scoop it in, but we're gonna scoop it in.
Get it nice and close. That's him.
Guys, my hands are all clean now. I hope yours are as well. But we've got all this ready and we've set it to gas mark 4 preheated oven. And just get the pull that off.
What shelf's that on?
So this is on the top shelf.
Cool.
And so see by here, we're going to set it to so we're going to set it to 15 minutes. We're going to try to 15 minutes first. Oh, that's 16.
Cool.
15 minutes, and that's what we're going to try it on first. But we'll come back for the best part in the world. Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Guys, it's beeping. So let's take them out. Oh. Is it time for yours to be taken out?
Sim, quick up on top. Close the door. We'll have to...
And where's the knife? Okay.
So
Here
give
we
it a
are.
wipe first. Give it a wipe first.
Okay, let's give it a wipe.
Go on
Another wipe. Okay. Let's check.
Straight in, out.
Oh,
Perfect.
yay! Check! Okay guys, so we've got this fudge icing. I know it's so cool. Fudge icing. And we've got vanilla ice cream by there.
No vanilla icing.
Yeah, vanilla icing. And we're gonna ice them.
Go on then. Go for it. Get in there. Use two.
Okay guys. Let's open it up.
Oh, just before swimming as well.
Yeah.